Hello viewers, welcome to Kids Auto and Truck Repair. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to replace the key fob battery of this fob. This is a fob of a Mercedes Sprinter. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to flip the fob around and we're going to press this button over here. This button releases this cover and the manual key on the fob. So we're going to press this and remove the key. We're going to get the key removed. And then we're going to press this button again and pull this cover out. So we're just going to pull it out like this. Okay. And then there is a little tray over here that we have to pull out. You can use your fingernail or you can use a pocket screwdriver, which I have over here. We're going to pull this tray out. And here is our battery. Okay, so we're gonna flip this over and then remove the battery just like that. This is a 2030 battery. I'm sorry, this is a 2032 battery. I have a pack of batteries over here, so I'm gonna get a 2032 battery out of this pack. So we got our brand new battery. So now we're gonna install this like that. We got our new battery installed on the tray. Now we're gonna install it back on the fob. So at this point, everything we're doing is the reverse process of the removal process. You just have to push this in all the way and you're good. Now you can try your new battery by pressing down this button. As you can see, the little LED light over here comes on, so that's good. And then we're gonna put the cover back on. Let's make sure it's lined up and push it back in place just like that. The cover snapped in, and then we're gonna reinstall this manual key just like that. As you can see. So this is how you remove and replace a key fob battery on a Mercedes Sprinter fob. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you are not already a subscriber. If you have any comments, questions, criticism, leave them in the comment box. Once again, thank you very much for watching. See you next time.